A nucleus is a membrane-bound organelle that contains the cell's chromosomes. A nucleus is a part of cell organelle. It is present both in plant cell and animal cell. Parts of nucleus are nuclear envelope, which means nuclear membrane, chromatin condensed, nucleolus and nucleopores. On the inner part of the nucleus is the chromatin and nucleolus, and on the outer part of the nucleus is the nuclear envelope and nuclear pores. Nucleus is covered by a double layered membrane with small pores. Pores is a very small circular part of nucleus. Inside the pores there is a hole. The pores allows the material to go in and out of the nucleus. On the inner part of the nucleus is the one round nucleolus and chromatin fiber. Chromatin fiber is a thread-like structure. Chromatin fiber forms short, thick chromosomes. Look at the image how the nucleus chromosome is formed. Observe the short video clip of nucleus. How the nucleus works and functions. Nucleus is present in all the parts of cell organelles of plants and animals. Endoplasmic reticulum is the organelle which conducts various substances inside the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum is a part of cell organelle. It is present both in plant cell and animal cell. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. On the outer surface of endoplasmic reticulum is the ribosomes. Ribosomes is a small spherical shape of endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes is made of ribonucleic acid and proteins. Proteins comes from endoplasmic reticulum. On the inner part of endoplasmic reticulum is the nucleus. Endoplasmic reticulum connects nucleus and plasma membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum is a net-like structure. It connects tubes and sheets filled with fluids. Various substances are present inside the cell in endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum protects and supports cells. It helps to conduct proteins.